Hello, guys. Welcome to Indian English Podcast. I hope you are doing amazing in your life. If you are listening this podcast for the first time, please subscribe to this channel. Today, let's talk about the pressure faced by students about their career. In India, career is not just a choice. For many students, it feels like a responsibility, sometimes even a burden. From a very young age, Indian children are asked one common question: Beta, what do you want to become when you grow up? At first, it sounds like a simple question, but slowly it turns into expectation. Many students grow up hearing the same career options again and again: doctor, engineer, government officer, or something considered safe and respectable. And somewhere along the journey, students stop asking themselves what they actually love. Indian students don't just carry their own dreams, they carry their parents' sacrifices, family hopes, and society's expectations. Parents work day and night to provide good education. They invest their savings into coaching classes, tuition fees, and school expenses. And students often feel a silent pressure to repay those sacrifices with success. But success in India is often measured by marks, ranks, and job titles. If a student scores high marks, they are praised. If they struggle, they are often compared. Comparison becomes a daily reality. Relatives asking questions, neighbors giving advice, social media showing perfect success stories. All of this slowly builds stress inside young minds. Many students start believing that one exam, one result can decide their entire future. And that fear creates anxiety, self-doubt, and sometimes depression. Another challenge Indian students face is the fear of choosing passion over stability. A student who wants to become an artist, musician, or entrepreneur often hears, "Is there a secure future in this?" Parents are not always wrong for worrying. Most Indian families come from middle class backgrounds where financial security matters a lot. They want their children to live a stable and comfortable life, something they themselves struggled to achieve. But sometimes, in protecting stability, students lose the courage to explore their true potential. Many students follow career paths that they never truly wanted just to make others proud. And later in life, they feel stuck, confused, or unhappy. But here is something important every student needs to understand. Career is not a race, it is a journey. Not everyone finds success at the same age. Not everyone has the same talents or interests. Marks and degrees are important, but they do not define a person's entire future. Skills, passion, hard work, and consistency play an equally powerful role. Indian students are incredibly hardworking. They learn discipline, dedication, and responsibility at a very young age. And those qualities can help them succeed in any field they choose. Parents and society may guide students, but students must also learn to understand themselves. It is okay to take time to discover your passion. It is okay to fail and try again. And it is okay if your journey looks different from others. Real success is not just about earning money or gaining status. Real success is waking up every day feeling satisfied with what you do and growing into the best version of yourself. Indian students are strong, talented, and full of potential. They just need support, understanding, and sometimes the freedom to follow their own path. Because when students follow careers they truly believe in, they don't just build successful lives, they build meaningful ones. Thank you for listening this episode. I will see you in the next video.